PG-13 facts that your sex ed course did not teach you. Part 1. If you sprinkle a little bit of sugar on a prolapsed rectum, it'll actually go back in. And you're probably thinking, Jack, that's literally not real. You bet your sweet ass it is. On average, you'll shit about 4,000 pounds of poop every single year. Human vaginal secretions contain hyaluronic acid and squalene, both of which are commonly used in skincare products. So fellas, take notes, because apparently cunnilingus is a crucial part of skincare. Every man has a genetically coded cup size, but we'll never know our true potential. It takes approximately 2 tablespoons of blood to get your poles swole. When you get older, the hair on your head isn't the only hair that turns gray. Dudes nut at an average speed of 27 miles per hour, which is the same speed Usain Bolt ran at during his record-setting 100-meter dash. This is a crazy video.